Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this mini hatch 2-litre Cooper S Sport Steptronic. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant as well. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch John Cooper Works track spoke alloy wheels with a black finish, really complementing the black exterior colour. This car also features keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the dynamic and leather upholstery finished in carbon black. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 7,948 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. Taking a look at your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connection, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst travelling, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And of course you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on a mini hatch 2-litre Cooper S Sport Steptronic that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.